And with that, we'll get back to your forecast with Robert Suhr.
All right, Robert. So another round of rain chances arriving late tonight.
Yes, we are in a pattern with waves of rain almost every single day, and it's really going to add up, I believe, which we're going to talk about here in just a second. But first, quick look back at the rainfall from last night. Look at some of these totals that fell. Almost 4.5 inches in Bentonville, and this is just over the last 24 hours. 3-4 inch amounts here across northwest Arkansas. You make your way further to the south toward the River Valley, and those numbers do fall off, but still 1.25 inches at Drake Field and Fayetteville, even Fort Smith with 3/4 of an inch of rain. And this is really just the start, because we're expecting much more rain, and we still have some lingering showers sliding out of LaFleur County into Polk County. Maybe 1 or 2 of those sprinkles make it into Scott County. That's about it for right now. Then we'll get a break before more rain tonight, and all this rain is expected to add up. Not counting what we had last night, we could see an additional, through Sunday, 3 to 4 inches of rainfall across the entire area as these systems move through, and they have just ample amounts of moisture in the atmosphere to work with. So quite a bit of rain between now and Sunday, a distinct possibility. Thick deck of overcast moving back through Springdale. We had some nice clearing once that rain moved out this morning, but those clouds have since returned. Same thing in Lowell. Considerable cloudiness across the area. Temperatures right now lower 80s and some upper 70s across northwest Arkansas. More breaks in the cloud cover across the River Valley. Temperatures are about the same though, mid 80s or so. Cooler where they had that rainfall, you get towards southeast Oklahoma, lower 70s right now in Tallahena. So we go through the rest of the night. We're going to have another piece of energy sliding through. It will be weaker than last night, but we're going to see showers developing from south to north as we go through the rest of the overnight hours. More hit or miss showers. If you get under one of these, there could be some heavier downpours, but nowhere near the scope of what we went through last night in terms of that heavy rain. That on and off shower chances will continue through a good part of your Thursday before a much stronger piece of energy makes its way toward the area around sunset or so Thursday evening and into Friday morning. This is the one that will drop quite a bit of rainfall, and there will be some thunderstorms mixed in here. Very low severe threat. This is again primarily a heavy rainmaker, and that could linger into Friday and Friday morning as well. So another wet commute looks possible. Then we turn our attention to Saturday night and into Sunday. That could be a more classic severe weather setup. Right now, worst of it might just miss us to the north, but we're keeping a very close eye on this for Saturday night and into Sunday for the chances for severe weather. Now lows tonight back into the 60s, and temperatures tomorrow with all the rain, all the cloud cover, struggling to get out of the upper 70s and lower 80s. And you can see the extended forecast features multiple chances for rain. I would not be surprised if eventually we made Saturday night and into Sunday a severe night because of the rainfall chances. A wet first day of fall. We dry out as we get into next week. Same thing in the River Valley, Brandon. On and off rain chances of varying intensity the next couple of days. But by Monday, things start to quiet down.